welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup, okay? I wanted to do actually a full glam. You know, I'm still here for it. I don't know about you, but I'm still here for it, okay? I basically already let you guys know what we was going to be busting it up about, you know, in the title. You know, I don't know if you know what woman is, but we are going to be getting into that, okay? So with that being said, if I do not say what I am using, it will definitely be in the description box down below. I am going to be letting you know what I've been using for the moisturizer, baby, and it has been this Fenty Beauty. This is the overnight, but I've been using it for a moisture. Girl, this is so good. You know what I mean? Like, oh, it's like no, but it really does something to your foundation. No bullshit. No bullshit. Okay. So wooing. What is wooing? I actually looked up wooing. Okay, to seek favor, affection, or love of, especially with the view to marriage. So when I first seen it, I was like, that's kind of like crazy that it's saying like, you know, somebody that woo you, that means that they want to marry you. Because to be quite honest, okay, I've been wooed before and Bo was acting dumb, you know, so I was like, you got to be careful. You know what I mean? But yeah, when grandma told me, it was just basically how a man treats you. Like, for instance, you know, he opens up the car door for you. The way he touches you, he might touch right behind your back. Not on your butt, but just like that lower back, and like guide you in. Yeah, that is wooing, baby. Or even if you guys are out, the waiter comes over. This is a woo. Hi, can I take you guys' order? And he says, what you want before he orders. That's a woo. Okay, definitely. When I met my husband, he definitely wooed me. Like, we went to the movies. I don't know why, but we was both nervous. He definitely held my bag and guided me in, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna give him some. Give him all of it. I'm gonna give him some. It's like, no, but I was dead serious, girl. Also, I think getting into any type of relationship, I think you definitely need to ask questions. I never really asked a lot of questions. I just was like, I think he cute. Like, I just was just like, I think he cute. I like him. I never asked, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Asking them their goals. Asking them what do they want to accomplish and things of that nature. Like, let them know, like, hey, you know what I mean? Where you see yourself? You know, do you see yourself wooing me for the rest of your life? Or do you see yourself as being a hoe? I mean, let me know so I can go. You know? All right. We are grown here. After a while, it's like, how long you gonna keep doing dumb shit like that? Like, you just gonna keep being a kid? Oh, all right, then. You might as well stay home with mom. For real, we don't have time. And then that's when loving you first really comes into play. Being confident in yourself. I've always been confident in myself. I've always been confident in the way I dress, in the way I look. I don't care what nobody say. Oh, Stacy, what you got on? What you got on, Stacy? You know, that's what's wrong. You know, when you almost say that, you gotta go roar, roar, roar. That's what you do. You gotta roar, bring it in, because you don't want to go there, you know? Definitely being confident, being worthy in yourself, you know what I mean? And the reason why I stress this, because when I first met my husband, like, I was very broken. I was broken not just from past relationships with men, but I was also broken with like past relationships, period. And it was really hard for me to trust, because I've had trust people before and it didn't work out, you know? Healing your trauma, like past relationships. I also have daddy issues. Like, we gonna keep it thorough, you know? And that's just something that us women that recognize where a lot of our stuff come from, so I try my best to get that together, you know. We're gonna jump on some mercier in the color Honey. Press it in there, you know, real good, cause you know these creases ain't no joke. And if you a crease girl like me, make sure you get in there, tap it in there, and you don't give up. Don't give up and you don't give out. Yeah, but back to what I was saying, you know what I mean? Like, I always pay attention to guys, not by what they say, but by what they do. Are you being there for me? Not just financially, because everything is not about financial. Are you helping me emotionally? Are you helping me heal? You know, I have children with my husband. I didn't bring children into this relationship. We both just had children or whatever. But if you do have children, like, is he there for your children? Is he trying to be a good influence to your children? Like my mom, she had this boyfriend. I remember this boyfriend. He was so cool. His name was Mr. John. He loved my mom. He used to give me lunch money, make sure I had lunch money to go to school. If my mom had to work overnight, like he would just do so much stuff. You dig me? I love Mr. John. But I mean, my mom was knocking him down though, because he used to be like, baby, what you need, what you want. My mom was probably like, don't stop. You get it, don't say no, let me stop. If I'm anything, shit, I know she was, because I'm her child. She was taking Mr. John out of this world, because he used to be like, baby, what you want, what you need. But he was genuinely a really nice guy. You know what I'm saying? He was, you know, making sure somebody gonna be there for you through your dark days, because we all have them. My boys and my girls, you know, we have our dark days, okay? At least have everybody in our company that is definitely positive. You know how people be acting all perfect? Shit, not me. A bitch is fucked up, okay? Let me do my nose real quick. For my new boo. If you was feeling the content real quick, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, boo. We already, come on now, you already know what it's hitting for. I just noticed that being in relationships too though, like, I am okay with making mistakes. I feel like sometimes we be so butthurt about guys who hurt us, because I know I was butthurt, like, listen. But I learned that we was not born with tear ducts for no reason. We were born to deal with some type of pain. The hurt and the pain that we go through is somewhat in the will of our journey as well. And that's why it's very important to look at who's wooing you and who's being there for you and things of that nature. Ooh, look at this skin. Yeah, that's us. Do. Yeah, that's us. So I'm gonna do these eyebrows really, really quick, okay, boo? So I don't really know how I wanna do my eyes, but I'm gonna hook it up. It's so crazy that my grandma used to tell me about wooing. Let me tell you the story about how she told me too. I was talking to this guy and I was like really like liking this guy a whole lot. And I was like, Grandma, like, I think I love him. Like, I don't know, but I really think I want to be with him. And I was like telling my grandma and like explaining to her like how much he really meant to me. And she was like, well, honey, is he wooing you? I was like, well, what is that? Real quick, we're gonna go into Mood, and I'm jumping into an E54 brush, and this is Sigma. And I'm like, Grandma, what does that mean? And she was like, that means baby. And she just started telling me everything that we talked about. And when I looked at it, I was saying to myself, I'm like, he is doing all of those things, but he wasn't consistent with doing it. So that's when I knew that something was definitely up, and it was. So next we're going to be jumping into Make Waves, honey, because we are making waves. You know, I was up waiting for Kanye. Like, how you gonna do that, Kanye? Like, how you gonna do that to me? We want to hear Donna. So next we're gonna jump into fourth spot. But yeah, but we just gonna take this and we just gonna blend this. Now since we have that down, I'm gonna take some micellar water, clean up my crease. I want to jump into the blank canvas really quick. About to cut this crease. So now we're going to jump into this wide out. Stand that right in. Next, I'm going to be jumping Peppermint, but I'm going to jump into Showboat first. I'm gonna take some of this nitro and I'm going to wing this wing out real good. Okay, so now since we have that down, all right, so I'm gonna put a lash on and I'm gonna come right back. All right, my boo, so really quick, as you can see, I did my whole other eye, jumped my clothes on really quick and hurried up and gave you this look so we can hurry up and jump into lip, into blush, and into highlight. So for lip, we're going to actually jump into that first, and we're going to be taking the lip tar. We're gonna take that and put that right there on the lip. And you really only need a little bit of this. I don't know if you guys remember lip tars, but these joints used to hit. Taking some of this over it, beaming that right there, you know. Ooh, yeah. Gotta get your nose and get the middle so it can beam right. For blush, I do want to do this Beauty Bakery, and this is in the color Hey Pumpkin. This has been my fave little orange lately, and I'm just going to take that, ooh, giving the girls what the girls is wanting, okay? All right, now we're going to take this all-nighter. I don't know about you, but I'm really feeling this look, and blue is my favorite color, baby, okay? I'm really feeling this look, feeling this eye look, baby. This skin is definitely giving filter. Yes. It's like, no, boo, I'm really feeling this look. If you is feeling this look too, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, boo. Make sure you do not forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell button too, because you don't want to miss my upcoming videos. It's because I post once a week with cool glam content and some busted up. And if you was feeling the busted up and you ready to get wooed, don't forget to leave that in the comments too, boo. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching me grow. Do not forget to keep God first. You know we do not pay about the Lord on this channel. I love you, boo, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.